Are you worn out from making those perfect 2D animation for hours? Well, guess what? AI has come to your rescue. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll share with you some amazing websites that can supercharge your 2D animation game. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first one in our list is Jitter. It lets you create animations with just a click of button. Just head over to the template section, choose the animation template as per your requirement. Now, just replace the pictures with the one you want and your animation will be ready in no time. Next up on our list is Canva. You might be surprised to know that Canva isn't just for graphic design. It also offers powerful animation features. With Canva, you can create engaging animations for social media presentations or explainer videos. Last but not the least, we have Powtoon. This platform is perfect for creating professional looking explainer videos and presentations. Powtoon offers a wide range of customizable templates and characters, as its AI powered features can help you generate scripts and voiceovers. So, there you have it. These AI tools are sure to elevate your 2D animation skills to new heights. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but your creativity is the real star. Experiment, play around, and create something amazing. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.